There are 20 different things that YouTube content creators must stop.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it now!
To grow their channel and to maintain a healthy reputation. So last week I had created the final video for 2024. However, as I was filming and preparing for 2025, I realized that the information in this video is one that I had to pass across to you guys ASAP. Before you start to prepare for next year, or as you start to prepare for next year, bear with me, all right? Bear with me. The first thing that must stop in 2025 is clickbaiting your audience.
Don't do that.
2025 is a time to make sure that your video delivers the promise that your thumbnail already set. Now, don't make the thumbnail so exciting and say, oh my God, all these people died. And then we get in there and it shows like 10 roses that died. Don't do that. And by the way, YouTube has set up an initiative that will ensure that clickbait videos get taken down. You can check that on their website. They're rolling it out in India first. It really doesn't take too much to deliver on your promise. All right. Number 2 is neglecting audio quality. Now, it is easier to get away with a bad video quality than it is easy to get away with a bad audio quality. Okay. Now, there are several times that I have gotten off of a video. Because of the audio quality. And even as much as I try to ensure that my audio is good, I still get like 2 or 3 comments that come into my comment section to say there is something a little bit off about the audio of your video.
I am absolutely mentally, spiritually, physically tired. It's just exhausting.
It's important to invest in the audio of your video. For example, this microphone just cost me $35 on Amazon. I have linked it in the description box. It is always there. You guys can go get it. There are also lapel microphones that you can get for as little as $20 off of Amazon. Invest in good audio quality. The next one will be ignoring consistency, like post here today, post there tomorrow. And I can tell you that this affected my channel a tad bit last year. It kind of slowed it down, right? And I am changing that. Now, consistency does not mean just like your posting schedule, right? Even though that was the part that affected me, consistency also means being consistent with your message, right? And being consistent with your quality. So it is important to not lose focus, right? And to continually keep your focus on consistency with when you post, and consistency with all those other things, because lack of consistency, not only does it throw off the algorithm, right, it also throws off your audience, because they're like, okay, when do you post, when do you not post, and all of that. It's just all over the place. So ignoring consistency is one thing that has to stop. Number 4, focusing only on virality. I know, coming from someone who has more than 100 subscribers, listen guys, focusing on virality, not only does it frustrate you, it also ensures that you are not prepared for that time that when the virality eventually comes, because it will come. Every one of us will get a shot at virality. I want you to focus on getting better every day, right? Adding something new to your video, your audio, or something, your editing style every day to ensure that you're growing, and to ensure that when the virality comes, you are able to sustain it. Because focusing on virality, not only does it just make you start to look like, how can I get 100 views? Follow me, I follow you back. Subscribe to me, I subscribe to you back. When the viewers eventually get there, they're going to be disappointed because you were not prepared to serve them. Okay, so focus on growth rather than virality. Number 5, overlooking SEO. Ignoring your keywords, ignoring your description, your titles, and all of those is detrimental to your YouTube channel. Now, I know a lot of people, you've heard, maybe, I don't know, but I've heard someone tell me that, you know what, SEO doesn't matter. And sometimes I get lucky. I do not optimize the video, and the video does well, right? But I've seen that it helps a lot to optimize my video. So always focus on your keywords, your description, your SEO, focus on it a lot, because even if you don't rank number 1, you will rank number 50, but just make sure you're creating those videos such that you can rank. Number 6, not engaging with your audience, with your viewers. Come on guys, what is this? What is that? Listen, I spend over 30 minutes in the mornings responding to comments. Like, I try as much as I can to respond to every comment, every single comment. And sometimes I respond to a comment and I go to the person's channel, right? And I go to a video and I comment on it. And a lot of you have not even responded to those comments at all. Now, engage with your audience, okay? Because it builds this community. It makes them understand that you see them. You see the comments, right? Respond to them. If they have questions, answer the questions. Like, it doesn't take you anything. That is what the community is for. That is why you're here on YouTube. You're here because of your audience, right? So if you're not engaging with them and you're not responding to their comments, then why are they there? Like, see your commenters, like, see your audience, connect with them, all right? It is very, very important. Do not neglect connecting with your audience. Number 7, ignoring analytics. Let me tell you, you will find what you need in analytics. You will find the videos you need to continue to create in analytics. Analytics will show you the video you should stop creating and the videos you should create more of. So ignoring analytics and not looking at it, right, it can be very detrimental. And guys, I know a lot of us are using Studio on your mobile app. I want you at least once a week, even though I do this every day, I want you to at least once a week go to your analytics on your desktop app, on your desktop device, right, your computer, and deep dive into this analytics. And some people will say, you know what, I don't have a desktop, I don't have a laptop, I don't have a computer. Open your mobile browser and do YouTube Studio for the web, right? And it will bring out the same analytics for you. You can go through it. You'll see the videos that are working. You'll see the videos that spiked your views. And that way you can continue to create those kind of videos, because that is telling you that that is what your audience is interested in. Number 8, being overtly generic. Like, you're creating this niche today, that niche tomorrow, here, there, and everywhere. It is going to ruin your channel because you are not fully niched. And while I was analyzing my other channel, I realized that that was one of the things, right, that affected that channel, right? Aside posting too many shorts, I realized that I was posting niche for mothers generally, right? I was not niched down, like maybe stay-at-home mothers or working moms or business moms, right? I will post homeschool today. I will post words of advice tomorrow. I will post Bible study next tomorrow. And I was just all over the place, right? And that really, really affected that channel. So being overtly generic, right, will affect your channel. It is important for you to niche all the way down, right, to attract and to retain your target audience. Number 9, plagiarizing content. Stop copying content. Stop stealing content. You are not a thief, you're a content creator. Seriously, copyright will damage your channel, especially when you get copyright strikes and all of that. You can get your channel deleted, right? You can it affects your credibility and it violates copyright laws. So please stop plagiarizing other people's content. Don't worry, breathe in, take a deep breath in, and then breathe out. You will come up with your own ideas, and I'm sure that whatever you come up with is going to be amazing. Number 10, stop posting daily if you can't keep up with quality. Yeah, I had to tell this to myself last year. Even though I was able to keep up with quality, I was not able to keep up with researching very well. So I can say that the quality wouldn't be as well, right? So stop posting daily if you cannot keep up with the quality. Stop posting daily if you cannot handle the burnout. Stop posting daily if it's going to affect your mental health. Okay, stop posting daily if all of those things cannot happen. The next one will be neglecting thumbnail designs. You guys will be shocked when I tell you how many hours I spend designing thumbnails. I am telling you, as simple as my thumbnails are, sometimes I spend hours creating the thumbnails alone. Don't neglect creating your thumbnails, because let me tell you, if your thumbnails are not attractive enough, right, it does not give your video a chance of getting seen, even though the content is quality, even though what you have said there is valuable, even though you have amazing information. If people are not clicking on that video, they don't get to see, they don't get to hear it. All right. So invest in creating amazing thumbnails. Like I've told you guys before, if you don't even know what to create, before I got better at creating my own thumbnails, I will go to my favorite content creator, I will look at their thumbnails, how they have done it, and I'll try to replicate it, try to do something similar to that until I became independent with creating my own thumbnails. So please don't do that, okay? Number 12, not testing different formats. A lot of times you will see that maybe you start with a talking head video like I am doing now, right? And then you would see that, oh my God, I think I want to do vlogs. Oh my God, I think I want to do this. I want to do that. It is important for you to test different formats before you now finally find the one that is working for you. Repeating the same kind of video, especially when it is not, when you're not good at it, can lead to stagnation. So test different other ones like vlogs. I'm not really good at filming vlogs, but you know what? I can learn, but I haven't learned. All right. So test different formats. Number 13, ignoring call to action. By the way, guys, if you're finding this video helpful, kindly give me a like, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like my face. All right. Have you done that? Did you do it? Thank you. Thank you so much. So do not ignore call to actions. Call to action is what I just did there. So whenever I hear kindly like this video, subscribe, I go ahead and like it. So don't ignore call to action. All right. Remind us to like your videos and remind us to subscribe to your channel. Number 14, being inauthentic. Oh my God, viewers can spot fake personality from over a mile away. And this can lead to distrust and disengagement. Don't be authentic, okay? Because you're unique in your own way. You're a unique personality, right? So don't try to be inauthentic. Don't try to be someone else. Don't try to speak like someone else. Don't try to act like someone else. Don't try to do whatever like someone else. Be as authentic as possible. Number 15, quitting too soon. You see, Gen Z people, you guys are stressing me out a little bit. There was someone that came into my comment section and she said, I've tried and tried and tried, and this channel is just still at 200 subscribers. And I just get 50 views. I get 20 views. And guys, guess when she started the channel? She started the channel 2 months before I saw the comment. And I'm like, Gen Z people and lack of patience. And she's telling me that, you know what, I'm about to quit this YouTube thingy. Listen, don't quit too soon. You see, expecting instant success on YouTube is going to frustrate you, right? Because a lot of times it doesn't happen when you expect it to happen. It just doesn't happen quickly like that. Sometimes you will invest years before it happens. I've seen people that invest 7 years. Now, I'm not saying you're going to invest 7 years, right? I've seen people that have invested. I have invested over 3 years on these YouTube streets, okay? I've seen people that have invested donkey years, right? So don't quit too soon. Now, if you need someone to hold your hand, join our Thrive community. Guys, I have rebranded the Thrive community. Like this time, the Thrive community, I have taken time to actually revamp the Thrive community. And this time it's coming with monthly calendar, your monthly content calendar and trending topics, keyword research, title suggestions, thumbnail templates, revenue strategy sessions, affiliate marketing blueprints, monthly goals, digital product ideas, guys, and many more. I can't read everything out for you. You're also going to be able to network with other content creators for collaborations and to share ideas. Like if you want to join this community, go to the comment section. I'm going to be linking it in the description box. So don't quit too soon, right? First of all, you have a community of content creators around you, and just be patient, okay? Because good things come to those that wait. Number 16, overlooking collaboration opportunities. Now, refusing to collaborate with other people limits your audience, and it also limits you in a lot of ways. I want you to be open to collaborating with other content creators. I collaborated with Riva Reveals the other day, and guys, ever since we've been talking on the phone, like all the time, not only does she feel me from the content creator angle, right? She's also someone that you can collaborate with, and she's so easy to speak with. We all need that kind of community around us. Number 17, focusing on perfection over consistency. You know what? This video is not good. I'm going to post it next week. This video is not perfect yet. I'm going to post it next week. This video is not right yet. I'm going to post it next week. You need to Focus on consistency rather than perfection, because obsessing over your content, it delays your uploads. All right, listen, it can never be perfect. All right, even Mr. Beast is not perfect, so try as much as you can to do that. Number 18, not adapting to trends. Try as much as you can to ride on the trends as they come, and ride on it in such a way that it favors your niche. 19, negative interaction with other content creators. Why are you even fighting? What is the point of having negative interactions with other content creators when the sky is wide enough for everyone to fly? Now, if you're having negative interactions, public feuds, and you're having toxic behavior, or you're talking bad about them, it's not good. It's not demure. All right, so don't do that. All right, it not only depletes your reputation, it's just not good for your brand. Okay, the last but not the least, forgetting to have fun. Hey, listen, if there is no fun in it, count me out. Once you stop having fun with content creation, it is time for you to step back, take a break. All right, because let me tell you, losing the joy of content creation can lead to major burnout, right? And it will lead to less engaging content because you're not even enjoying the job. You're just like, you know what, let me just create and let me send it out there, right? Don't do that. Don't lose your joy. Don't lose your why. The reason you started this channel, don't lose it. Anyway, guys, with this few points of mine, I hope that this video has been helpful to you. If it has, kindly hit that subscribe button, will you? Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich.